GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GM OE. Manufactured with GM original equipment specification for fit, form, and function. Country of origin: China. The ACDelco GM original equipment brake pedal position sensor monitors the movement or position of the brake pedal to directly activate the brake lights, and turn off cruise control if applied, and is a GM recommended replacement for your vehicle's original components. This brake pedal position sensor has been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Brake pedal position sensor. Diagnosed my wife's car to this sensor. It was reasonably priced to purchase and quite easy to install. 92017 GMC Acadia. This is a real GM part in the correct packaging. Beware, once installed you will need a shop to program this switch to work with the computer. I did not know this and ended up throwing more default codes.